In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to join the pieces using whip stitch. After that, I'll show you how to crochet the top of the bag. Then I'll show you how to crochet the chain for the handle. And finally, I'll make the beautiful crochet flower and leaf. Let's get started by joining the three sides of our granny squares using the whip stitch. We're going to sew the three sides, this side and this side and this side, using the whip stitch. First, make sure you have enough yarn to sew the sides by measuring the yarn beforehand. What I like to do is hold the yarn against the edges I will be sewing to judge the length. So I'm going to hold it against this edge, and then the bottom part, and then the last side. And then I double the yarn to make sure that I have enough. This way you won't run out of yarn mid-stitch, which can be quite frustrating. Okay, so this should be enough to sew the three sides. Now thread your needle. So I'm using this tool that I got with the kit. Okay, so I'll insert it into the eye of the needle, and then I'll thread the needle. And make a slip knot at the end of the yarn. It's important to have a secure start, so that's why we're making a slip knot at the end here. Begin the whip stitch from any corner of the granny squares, and make sure that the granny squares the wrong side are facing each other, and you are looking at the right side, or the right side is facing you. Okay, so we're going to start from this corner here. Insert your needle into the middle stitches of both corners, and then start weaving the sides together. Make sure you align the stitches for a nice finish. Okay, so these are the middle stitches. So on this side, this is the middle. Okay, okay. Then insert your needle into this loop here, and then pull to secure the stitch. Then from here, we're going to continue working along the sides until we have joined all three sides. So we're going to start joining this side first. Okay, so we're going to the next stitch, which is this one here, and then we insert our needle. Okay, and then we go to the next stitch, which is this one here. So continue this process, working your way along the sides until you have joined all 3 sides. This is a very simple technique, but very effective for securing your pieces. And then finish at the middle stitch of both granny squares and make a few more stitches in those 2 stitches just to secure the yarn. Once you're finished, cut the yarn, leaving a tail long enough to weave in. Then weave in any ends to keep your project tidy. And this is how your sides look like. That's all for this segment. Stay tuned as we move on to crocheting the top of the bag next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet fun. See you in the next one.